Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to set up the Divi Password Box module to enhance your WordPress password-protected pages. This feature allows you to replace the standard Divi password form with a fully customizable module. You'll learn how to configure and verify the setup to ensure your sensitive content is both secure and displayed exactly as you intend. Let's get started. Let's explore how to set up the Divi Password Box module on a WordPress page. This approach allows you to customize elements like titles, prompts, and how protected content is displayed. By configuring these settings, you'll ensure that your content only appears after the correct password is entered. You'll also verify that error messages are triggered when an incorrect password is entered. Stay tuned as we guide you through each part of the process to create a secure and user-friendly experience. To begin, you'll need to secure your page using WordPress's built-in password protection feature. Open the page editor and look for the visibility settings located in the right-hand sidebar. Change the visibility to password protected. When prompted, enter a password of your choice. This ensures that only visitors with the correct password can access the page. Once this step is complete, your page will be protected and ready for the next steps. Now that your page is secured, it's time to set up the Divi Password Box module. Start by switching to the Divi Builder. You can do this by clicking Use Divi Builder at the top of your page editor. Once inside the builder, add a new section where you'd like the password form to appear. Next, insert a single column row into that section. In the module list, search for Password Box and add it to your layout. This will create the foundation for your custom password-protected area. Now that the Password Box module is in place, let's customize it to suit your needs. Open the Password Box settings panel, where you'll find several options to personalize the module. Start by entering a clear title for your protected area. For example, you might use something like Restricted Area. Enter password to make the purpose obvious. Next, add a helpful error message for incorrect password attempts, such as, "Sorry, that password is incorrect." This ensures users understand what went wrong. Then, set the text for the Submit button. Something simple like Submit Password works well. Finally, explore the design options to add custom styles. For instance, you can select a background color that aligns with your site's theme for a more cohesive look. Take your time to tweak these elements to match your preferences. This will help create a professional and user-friendly password-protected experience. Once you've finished customizing the content and design settings of your Password Box module, it's important to save your work. To do this, simply click the green check mark located at the bottom of the settings panel. This will ensure that all your changes are stored and applied to your page layout. Let's configure the visibility settings for your password-protected section. To ensure the custom password box replaces the default Divi password form, open the blue section Settings. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab and locate the Visibility section. Here, set the Password Protection option to Show Before Password Entered. This adjustment ensures your custom password box appears appropriately on the page. Once your password-protected setup is in place, it's time to add the content that will be revealed only after the correct password is entered. To do this, insert regular sections into your layout. For example, you can add a section with a text module that contains the specific content you want to protect. This allows you to control exactly what is displayed to your authorized visitors after successful password entry. Once you've finished configuring your sections, it's time to save and preview your work. To do this, click the green Save button located on the bottom control bar in the Divi Builder. After saving, exit the Visual Builder. This will allow you to view your page just as a visitor would see it, ensuring everything looks and functions as intended. Now that your password-protected setup is complete, it's time to test it. Navigate to your protected page. Here, you should see the password prompt you've customized, while the protected content remains hidden from view. Begin by entering an incorrect password to confirm that your error message is working as expected. Then enter the correct password. If everything is set up correctly, you should now have access to the protected content. This step ensures that your password protection operates smoothly and delivers the intended user experience. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a custom password-protected area in Divi. This not only ensures the security of your content, but also allows you to deliver a personalized and professional experience for your visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy building.